Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable buying and selling features in Facebook group. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook icon, then you tap at the profile icon menu. Then you tap on groups. Then you're going to come up here and click on your groups. Then you tap on the name of the group you wish to remove these features from. Then you tap on manage. Then you can scroll down a little. You tap on add features. Then we're gonna scroll down a little. Then keep scrolling till you find buying and selling. This is it, buying and selling. Then you tap on the settings option right in front of it. And from here, you can remove these features from your Facebook group. Once you tap on it, buying and selling features will be removed from your group. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.